Model, 69-plate Renault Trafic Prermier edition LL29 Aircon Nice Black DCI 120 spares OR repairs ULEZ compliant Grin Trader margin. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 179778. MOT, 19 September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine seized, will need repairing and replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, 2 keys, electric windows, air con, cruise control, reversing camera. EU